On number 1, the order is Ketorolac, 24 milligrams IV every 6 hours, PRN for pain. We have to find in milliliters what we give. In the order, or in the label, it says 30 milligrams per 1 milliliter. So I placed 24 milligrams over 30 milligrams and divided, and then I multiplied that answer by 1 milliliter, canceled out the milligrams, and the answer is 0.8 milliliters. And that's how much we give. For number 2, it says identify the generic name. Aricept is the brand name, so the generic name is Donepezil HCl. Sorry. And then number 3 says identify the administration route. Originally, I put injection, so we have to pay attention because you have to be more specific. So the answer is IV injection, and it states it on the label. So, thank you.